The average salary of a group of unskilled workers is $10,000 and that of a group of skilled workers is $15,000. If the two groups are combined, the average salary is $12,000. What is the percentage of skilled workers? Okay, here we have two groups. One is a group of unskilled workers and other one is a group of skilled workers. Okay, let me consider the first group, that is unskilled category. Let me write the stuff over here. Okay, in unskilled group, let me assume N1 as the number of workers and X1 bar as the average salary. Let me consider the second group, that is skilled category. In that one, let me assume N2 as the number of workers and X2 bar as the average salary. And we can assume X bar as the average salary when the two groups are combined. Let me write the stuff over here. Average salary when the two groups are combined. Here we have number of values and average of two groups. In that case, there is a formula to get the combined average X bar. Okay, let me write the formula. X bar equals to multiply the number of values and average of the first group. Then we get N1 times X1 bar positive. Multiply the number of values and average of the second group. Then we get N2 times X2 bar. It has to be divided by the total number of values in both the groups. That is N1 positive, N2. We know that X bar represents the average salary when the two groups are combined. We have value for this X bar, that is 12,000. Let's plug in 12,000 for X bar over here. That is 12,000 equals to, and this X1 is the average salary of the group of unskilled workers. Its value is 10,000. When I plug in 10,000 for X1 bar over here, I am getting 10,000 times N1, and this X2 bar is the average salary of the group of skilled workers. Its values are 15,000. We can plug in 15,000 for X2 bar over here. Then I'm getting 15,000 times N2 divided by N1 positive N2. Let's multiply both sides of the equation by N1 positive N2. Let me multiply. Then this N1 positive N2 positive N2 will cancel out. We can distribute this 12,000 to this N1 and N2. Then I'm getting 12,000 times N1 positive 12,000 times N2. On the right side we have 10,000 N1 positive 15,000 N2. Let me subtract 12,000 N2 from both sides of the equation. Let me do it on the right side, and also subtract 10,000 N1 from both sides. Let me subtract. Okay, then so this positive value, negative value will cancel. The same here. When I combine these two terms, I am getting 2,000 N1. On the right side, when I combine these two terms, I am getting 3,000 times N2. Okay, now let's divide both sides of the equation by 2,000 N2. Let me do it on the right side. Here this N2 will cancel out. Here this 2,000 will cancel out. N1 over N2 equals to, when I simplify this fraction 3,000 over 2,000, I am getting 3 over 2. Now, let me multiply both numerator and denominator of this fraction by 20. Then I am getting 3 times 20 is 60 and 2 times 20 is 40. Let me add this 60 and 40. 60 positive 40 equals to 100. When I consider this 100 as percentage, this 60 and this 40 will become percentage. That is 60 percentage, 40 percentage. This 60 percentage is connected to N1. This 40 percentage is connected to N2. We know that N2 represents a number of workers in the skilled group. And our aim is to find the percentage of skilled workers. That is, there is a 40% of skilled workers. We find 40% in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.